In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your TradingView chart with ease. Whether you're trying to optimize your workspace or just make the most of the information within different panels, understanding how to efficiently resize your chart will help you customize your layout to better suit your needs. To start off, let's talk about dragging to resize. The process begins with a simple hover. So, move your cursor over the border of the chart. That could be any edge of the chart or the lines that separate multiple panels if you have them. You'll notice the cursor changes, indicating that you're ready to make adjustments. Once you've done that, click and hold the left mouse button, and with the button still pressed down, you can now drag the border. As you drag, you'll see the chart's width or height change depending on the direction you're pulling. This allows you to make the panel exactly the size you need. It's incredibly intuitive and handy when you want to emphasize certain data or just clear up some clutter. Next, let's cover how you can quickly reset to the default size. Sometimes, after adjusting, you might find that you want to return to the original layout. Luckily, this is just as easy. All you need to do is double-click on any chart border. Yes, you heard it right. A simple double-click will instantly snap that panel back to its original size, so you're not stuck if the changes aren't what you expected. It's a nifty shortcut that saves time and makes experimentation with layout changes less daunting. Now, let's dive into adjusting multiple borders simultaneously. Sometimes, you might have more than one panel on your screen, and resizing them one by one can feel tedious. That's where the Shift key comes in. By holding down the Shift key while you're dragging a specific border, you're able to resize adjacent panels at the same time. This technique is particularly helpful when you've got a multi-panel setup and want to maintain the relative sizes while still altering the overall look. In summary, mastering these resizing techniques can make your TradingView experience smoother and more customized. Start with dragging individual borders for basic adjustments. Use the double-click function for a quick reset to default when needed. And don't forget the Shift key trick for handling multiple panels effortlessly. With these strategies under your belt, you can ensure your trading environment is exactly how you like it, enhancing both your efficiency and your focus as you analyze the markets. Try it out and see how these small adjustments can make a big difference in your daily trading experience.